Tuturu! Hi guys, hi friends, welcome to the new video. If you are new, subscribe, I upload every video, it's gonna help my channel 1000 subscribers. Let's go! Today we're gonna model an umbrella in Blender from basic shapes. It's gonna be very simple. So, I am in Blender, as you can see, this is my stupid mouse. I'm gonna select this cube by the left click, X and delete. Shift A, on the mesh I'm gonna choose UV sphere, right here. Now, I'm gonna click right here on this icon, on the wireframe view, left click, and what I want to do, I'm gonna travel. If you don't know how to navigate, of course, very quickly go on the view right here, navigation, walk navigation, and right click, assign shortcut, yes, right here. Navigation, walk navigation, right click, assign shortcut, Shift F Fowls ID, you can travel. Now, I have my stupid sphere in the wireframe view. I'm gonna select my sphere by the left click, click tab to go to the edit mode. And basically, I want to select half of this sphere and delete those faces. This is going to create this kind of umbrella kind of shape, yes? We don't have to model in this stuff. We just delete some faces from the sphere. So try to basically select half of the sphere. I guess I'm going to try to select right here, I guess, and X and delete faces. And this already create this kind of umbrella shape, as you can see, yes. If you're gonna have some issue, like you're gonna delete some faces and you're gonna have right here, yes, some stick out faces. Basically, you wanna just click 3 to the face selection very quickly, and you wanna hold Alt and click on the edge of the face, on the edge, right here. And this just select all the loop of the stupid faces. So by selecting, holding Alt and select on the edge of the face, this just select all the loop, yes. X, of course, and if you wanna have some issues, like I said, this is one face here, one face here, just hold Alt and click on this edge of the face. X and delete faces. Yes, so this is my umbrella kind of shape, as you can see. We just created this from this stupid sphere. So what next? Shift A, on the mesh I'm gonna choose cylinder, right here. And I'm gonna rescale this by S and move the mouse to make it smaller. Now, I'm gonna rescale this in the Z-axis, so SZ and move the mouse, something like this. And I'm gonna rescale this a little bit more, so S and move the mouse to make it smaller, and SZ to basically rescale this in the Z-axis, yes. This just create this kind of part that connects the handle, yes, from this upper part on the umbrella. And if you're gonna move this, of course, select this cylinder GZ, and this just move in the Z-axis, as you can see, by GZ, yes. So try to place basically very closely, yes, very close this cylinder to this stupid sphere that we delete those faces. So, very simple, yes. What next? Shift A, we're gonna create a handle. On the mesh, I'm gonna choose, of course, torus. And I'm gonna rotate this torus by RX90 and click enter. And basically, from this torus, we're gonna create handle. So, what do you wanna do? Basically, wait, yes. You wanna select this torus and click tab to go to the edit mode on this torus. And I'm gonna select once again half of those faces on this torus, maybe something like this. And I'm gonna show you if you're gonna have some issues. As you can see, this is not perfect selected, but whatever. I'm gonna show you how you can delete those faces, like I said. So X and delete faces. So this is my part of the handle, yes, whatever. I'm gonna click tab to go to the object mode, and I'm gonna rescale this by S and move the mouse to make it smaller. And GZ to move this in the Z-axis, as you can see. And try to place this basically right here on the edge of the cylinder by GX, yes, or maybe GY and GZ to place basically something like here, yes, something like this. I hope you see this. So, as you can see, I have right here some faces. It's not perfectly done. So how you can basically delete those? I told you, but I'm gonna repeat myself hundreds of fucking times. Whatever. I'm gonna select this stuff, click tab to go to the edit mode. What do you wanna do? Hold Alt and click on the edge of the stupid fucking right here. As you can see, this just select this loop. Yes, this stupid loop. I'm gonna show you closely. This is the stupid fucking loop, and I can delete those by X and delete faces. And I have perfect right here kind of edges, yes, without some bumps. So I can select this, click tab once again, and click 2 to the edge selection, and hold Alt once again, and select this loop, and you want to click F to fill this. Okay, and this just, like I said, create this kind of handle. Yes, so you want to fill this stuff. So I'm gonna click tab and GZ, move this a little bit up, why not? And basically we can do this in this kind of corner too. So as you can see, this is one face, this is some faces. I'm gonna use the same technique. So tab, of course 3 to the face selection, X and delete, and I can select, hold Alt and select right here the loop, X, wait guys, X, delete faces, and right here I can delete those by selecting X and delete. Fuck! So what next? Of course 2 to the edge selection, hold Alt and select this loop and click F to fill. And if I'm gonna click tab to go to the object mode, I basically create this handle very easily. I hope you know what is going on. It's not very complicated. If I'm gonna go on the solid view, as you can see, this is my handle, this is my stupid cylinder part, and this is my sphere that I basically delete. Yes, those half of those faces of the sphere. What next? Basically I can select this upper part, go right here on this icon, and I can add some modifier, left click, and I can add subdividable, whatever it's called, right here. This just add thickness right here, and I can control how thick my umbrella is, as you can see. So maybe something like 0.1, 0.2, and you want to click right here and choose apply. And you can select this upper part, left click right here and choose subdivision surface, left click. And you can select this part, of course apply the modifier, left click, apply, right click and shade smooth, and you just created this stupid fucking umbrella. Wait, yes. As you can see very easily, yes, from cylinder, from fucking torus, and from sphere. I hope you get it, guys. This is not very complicated. I'm gonna drink some tough coffee bottle because I feel like shit. So once again, very quick recap. Okay, I'm gonna delete this, why not? And very easily, I want to show you very quickly. If you want to select and create one object from this, just hold Shift and select those parts. Yes, and you want to click Control J to basically create one object. And as you can see, I have one object. I can move this. So X and delete. Once again, Shift A on the mesh. I'm gonna choose sphere. Click tab. Go right here on the wireframe view. Select half of this stupid face. Let's go sphere X and delete faces. Now, what next? Shift A on the mesh, choose cylinder right here, S, and move the mouse to rescale this, SZ to rescale into Z axis, S, and SZ basically, yes, and this is the spark that connects my handle. So S and SZ to basically create this kind of part. Now, what next? Shift A on the mesh, I'm gonna choose torus, RX 90, enter to rotate this into 90 degrees on the X axis. Click tab, select half of this stuff, X, delete faces, and click tab, and once again S, and move the mouse, GZ, of course, yes, GX, and try to move this basically close to this stupid cylinder. I can travel just to show you, as you can see, and I can move this around by GZ, GX, as you can see. And if you're gonna have some issues right here, like I have right here, select this, click tab to go to the edit mode, and you can click 3 to the face selection and hold Alt and click on the edge right here. This just select those faces on this edge. X and delete faces. I can select those edges basically right here. So click 2, S2, and hold Alt, and this just select the loop of the edges. I hope you get it. Click F to fill this, and you can do this on the same part right here. So click tab, hold Alt if you're gonna have perfect kind of stuff, and click F to fill. And you just created this stupid fucking umbrella. I hope you get it. This is not complicated. Of course, select the upper part very quickly and add this subdivision, whatever it's called, to add thickness to it. And 0.1, 0.2, it's gonna look cool. And you can add subdivision surface very quickly, yes, subdivision surface. And you can shade smooth, right click, shade smooth, and you have umbrella. Thank you guys for watching this stupid tutorial. I am tired, guys. I'm gonna record more videos in the next year, of course, yes. And thank you for subscribing to my channel in this year. And I want to wish you Happy New Year, because I recorded in the last day on this year, basically. So yeah. Thank you for subscribing, for being with me in this year, and see you on the another one. And yeah, Happy New Year. Bye, guys.